Don't you wish your grandpa was hot like me? Don't you wish your grandpa was a freak like me? Don't you? Well, speak up. Now, don't you? But I haven't got all night here. But don't you wish your grandpa was raw like me?
You got the guys down here working on the job.
Was fun like me. Well, don't you?
That's my crazy mascot, everybody. My new crazy mascot. I love him. I call him Scrappy. He calls himself Grandpa. This is a roofing channel. If you want to check out my other channel, it's Scrapping with Grandpa. I just wanted to show everybody on my roofing channel that I do have a little bit of character and craziness involved. Scrappy, to introduce you, is wearing Incognito's wig from my other channel. So if you want to check out some scrapping videos and some other kind of crazy stuff that I just have fun with, check out my Scrapping with Grandpa channel. I think you might enjoy it, and you might think it's the stupidest thing ever. Everybody has their own likes. So check me out. I'm just trying to give myself a plug to my other channel. It is small. Love to see it grow. Love to see some of you guys come over and give me some comments on it. Tell me what you think about Scrapping with Grandpa and Incognito, or Scrapping with Grandpa mascot. I've made a few videos. I enjoy making videos. I just have fun with it. My company that you're watching is Drew's Roofing Home Repair. Some people will like this video. Some people will think it's just a bunch of crap. Hope nobody goes away because of it. I'm just trying to share my other channel that I use on YouTube that I actually have some fun off of. So it's a fun channel for me. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you at least go take a look at it. Scrapping with Grandpa, Incognito, Scrapping with Grandpa's mascot. Several different ways you can look it up. I'll see you when you get there. And if you do come from this channel, drop me a comment, please. I'd appreciate that.